Hello everyone, my name is Monica. I am from Satna. Today's my topic is tell me about something.
So hello guys, I am Raju Sharma from Bihar. I would like to say something about my village.
Hi everyone, good morning one and all. I am Seth Singh. I am from Haryana. Today I am going to tell about my city.
Good evening everyone, my name is Khushbu Yadav. I am from Mumbai. Thank you for this opportunity.
Hi friends, it's me Foni Sharma. I am from Bihar district Kishanganj. So my dear friend, today I would like to say about my...
Hi guys, my name is Shubha Dixit. I am from Raigad, Chhattisgarh. Now, I am going to tell about something.
My name is Sachin Pradhan from Indore. Today I speak about my village. My village name is Lohagar, which is falls in the Sagar district of Madhya Pradesh.
Good morning everyone. I am Sapta Kumari and I am from Bihar. Today I will speak about my village.
Hi friends, I am Habiba from Varja, state Maharashtra. My today's topic is tell something about your village or town or city.
Hi guys, good morning. My name is Deepak Kumar Modi. I am from Gredi, Jharkhand. Firstly, I want to say thank you sir for giving.
Hello everyone. Good morning to everyone. I am Rishikesh Kumar from Haryana.
Good morning. I am Ansupriya from Jharkhand. Now I am going to tell something about my village. Firstly, thank you.
Guys, my name is Bhavna Vaishnav. I read in class 10th in Government Senior Secondary School, Panota. My district is Palini, state Rajasthan. Today I am here to speak some words on my village.
My name is Shashti Patel from Munger. Today I speak about facility of town.
Hello friends, I am Arjuna from Surat. Today I will discuss with you about my city.
Hello, good morning everyone. This is Sarah Surat.
Hi guys, my name is Naveen Kumar Yadav. I am from Riga, Madhya Pradesh.
Hi guys, welcome back to Mass Study Friends. Friends, as you know that we are having some activities every day, and that activities motivate us to do something better, to speak and to learn English. So that is why in the series I gave one topic yesterday to my favorite students, and they sent me some videos on the topic, tell something about village, town or city. Really, I am very happy to know about your towns and your cities. Now, through the videos, we will tell to the world that what your town and what your village is, and there are many facilities in your village. So we'll talk about them, but before that I would like to give you tomorrow's topic. So tomorrow's topic is my favorite leader, or any great leader, or we can say that the famous person of India or world. So you have to talk about this tomorrow. You have to make a speech on this. आपका जो favorite leader कौन है, आपका जो आपको व्यक्ति अच्छा, जैसे हम पहले पढ़ते थे लाइक महात्मा गांधी और स्वामी विवेकानंदा, अब्दुल कलाम. Whosoever is your favorite ideal person or great leader from India or out of India, you have to prepare a short speech about him, and then you have to send me on this number, and then we will publish tomorrow on this topic. So without wasting time, today I am not going to talk about a lot of things because your time is very important. But before that I would like to tell you that you send me a lot of videos. I select very less videos. So the people whose videos I am not selecting, don't worry, your videos will be selected after some time. You keep trying, keep sending me videos, because this is the question of your improvement. If you will practice, you will improve. I am only the person who is giving you chance, otherwise you are really improving a lot. So let's start the listening to the people. Let's see.
Hi guys, good morning. My name is Deepak Kumar Modi. I am from Gredi, Jharkhand. Firstly, I want to say thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. And today my topic is I want to tell about something my village. Let's start. I live in a small village. My village name is Eliapur. It is very good and beautiful. There are 4,000 population in my village. Most of the people work my village are farmers. They are honest and hardworking people. They live in a small village and eat simple food. My village has good irrigation facilities. There is a big river in my village. The men go to river bank to wash clothes. There is an World Shiva temple in front of river. The roads are very good and beautifully. There is a post office, a primary school and a middle school in my village. There is a petrol pump in my village, and there is also a small mountain in my village. Thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. Thanks for listening.
So hello guys, I am Raju Sharma from Bihar. I would like to say something about my village. My village name is Virnawadi. It is a very big and good village. There are above 2,000 people live in my village. It is a very peaceful village. All kind of people live in my village, and they always help to each other. There are 3 Eid Bhatta in my village, and there are 3 temples in my village: Kali temple, Mata temple, and Gaurisankar temple. Mata temple and Gaurisankar temple are very famous in my village, and there is a school in my village. I used to read in that school. There is a market in my village. There are all things available in that market, and my village people do agriculture: pineapple, paddy, maize, and sugarcane. My village people work very hard. They celebrate all festival together, and there are tea garden too much in my village. My village is situated on the last border of Bihar. Thank you. That's all.
Friends, good morning. I am Ansupriya from Jharkhand. Now I am going to tell something about my village. Firstly, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. My village name is Jagdishpur. It is big village. There are 1000 people in my village. There are many educated people in my village. Some are teacher, professor, businessman, and some are also a farmer. There are 4 primary school and 2 high school in my village. The climate of my village is so good. It is neither so cold and not so hot. Pure drinking water is provided. There is one small river. There is a market and post office in my village. Every person in my village is very hard working. People living here with peace and love. They love each other. I love my village so much. It is an important place for me. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi friends, it's me Phoni Sharma. I am from Bihar district Kishanganj. So my dear friend, today I would like to say about my village. So my village name is Bhutijari. It is a big and good village. Our village has the... Hi friends, it's me Phoni Sharma. I am from Bihar district Kishanganj. So my dear friend, today I would like to say about my village. So my village name is Bhutijari. It is a big and good village. Its population is over 5,000. Our village has the pleasure of nature. There are green fields looking like beautiful gardens, and there are fresh air and water here. And it is free from pollution, and there are cultivate of pineapple and tea in this village. There are a school in my village and NGO. There are 2 towers in my village, so the network is good in my village. There are 2 Eid Bhatta in my village, and there are market in my village, and there are all road pakka in my village, and my villagers celebrate all festival together. There are 2 temples in my village, so and my village is located on the last border of Bihar. So I hope that all things my village are improving day by day. So I hope that my village develop in future.
Hi guys, my name is Shubha Dixit. I am from Raigad, Chhattisgarh. Now I am going to tell about something. Tell me about your town or village. First of all, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. So let's get started. I live in city. I live in Raigad. It's a small city. Raigad is famous for a major producer of steel and iron ore, as well as the cultural and industrial capital of Chhattisgarh. Jindal Steel and Power Limited is a steel plant of Chhattisgarh. Raigad is a major rice producing district and net production of 350,000 tons of per annum. I really love living in Raigad. Raigad is a great place to live, and living in Raigad suits me. Famous food of Chhattisgarh are chila and fara. Are famous food in Chhattisgarh. There are 4 places in Raigad. 4 famous places in Raigad. First is Kamla Nehru Park. Kamla Nehru Park is the best park in the city to hang out with friends and acquaintances. Second is Gomarda Wildlife Sanctuary. Gomarda Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Sarangarh town in the city. The places has many wild animals and plants of varied variety in its vicinity. Third is Radha Krishna Mandir. Radha Krishna Mandir is yet another place which defined of beautifully for the travelers to visit. And fourth is Ram Jharna. Ram Jharna is the natural fall which supplies fresh water to another to always air. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity, and thank you for listening me.
Good morning, everyone. I am Sapta Kumari and I am from Bihar. Today I will speak about my village. First of all, thank you, sir, give me this chance. Now I will speak about my village. The name of my village is Rajhamda. It is in Rohtas district and it is very a small village. My village is very beautiful because a lot of garden in my village. So my village looks very green. There are 300 people in my village. Most people in my village are farmers. They grow rice, wheat, vegetable and etc. There is no road and no hospital, but there is a primary school in my village. My village is a place that is far away from pollution and west of the city. There is also temple in my village. Everyone celebrate festival. The people of my village are very brave and honest. Thank you for listening me.
Hello everyone, my name is Monica. I am from Satna. Today's my topic is tell me about something in your city. I live in a big city. There are many good schools, hospitals, shops and offices in my city. There are many theaters, restaurants and hotels too. The city museum and an ancient Sarda temple attract many tourists to my city. There are some gardens too. They make my city look beautiful. There are roads are big and clean, but there are traffic jams because large of number of vehicles. There is a lot of air, water and noise pollution because of factories around the city. In spite of all these, I love my city. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Habiba from Varjam, state Maharashtra. My today's topic is tell something about your village or town or city. Today I would like to say about my city. First of all, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. I live in a big city. There are many good schools, colleges, resorts, restaurants, hotels, libraries, shops and offices in my city. There is Bapugudi in my city. Bapugudi is a very famous place. People.
Hello friends, I am Arjuna from Surat. Today I will discuss with you about my city. Thank you sir for giving me such an opportunity. Friends, Surat is a city located on the western part of India in the Gujarat. It is second largest city of Gujarat and 8th largest city of the world in the term of population, and it is the largest in non-capital cities. Surat has a vibrant economy. It is hub to the textile and diamond industries. According to an estimate, Surat has 90% of world's diamond polishing and
my name is Sachin Pradhan from Indore. Today I speak about my village. My village name is Lohagarh, which is falls in the Sagar district of Madhya Pradesh. During summer and winter vacation, I visit my village. My grandparents live in a village. Second, village are the backbone of the Indian economy. Agriculture is the most prevalent in the country, in the village of the country. Village also cause of the huge population, so we can say that the village also contributes to a great deal to the growth of the country. Village around the world are known to be beautiful.
My name is Bhavna Vaishnav. I read in class 10th in Government Senior Secondary School Panota. My district is Palini, state Rajasthan. Today I am here to speak some words on my village. Everybody loves your native village or town. The name of my village is Bagol. It is in Pali district. There are 600 houses in my village. Its population 2,200. All the people are hardworking and friendly. Most of the people are farmer in my village. There are primary and senior secondary school also for girls. Thus my village is an ideal village and I love and like so much.
Hello everyone. Good morning to everyone. I am Rishikesh Kumar from Haryana. Thank you, sir, to give me a short speech on tell about my village. Well, I am going to give a short speech about my village. There are 11,000 people in 1100 people in my village. You can see I live in a small village. There is a temple also. I am standing at the temple and making a video for everyone. And this is a pond at my village, you can see. And there are a school facility and hospital facility also.